Hi. Today we will have a look at Samsung Galaxy M31 and Galaxy F41. Both phones have similar configuration and comes under same budget range. Before we start, if you are watching this channel for first time, do subscribe and support us. Let's start with M31. It supports 2G, 3G and 4G on both SIMs with dual VoLTE standby. Over these, the phone supports voice over Wi-Fi. Both the SIM slots are nano. Similarly, the F41 will also support 2G, 3G and 4G on both SIMs with dual VoLTE standby. It also supports voice over Wi-Fi feature. F41 also have nano SIM slots. Moving to display. In M31, you will get a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display which have 1080 by 2340 pixels at 403 ppi pixel density. The M31 is also provided with a Gorilla Glass 3 protection. While in F41 you will get same display, but the Gorilla Glass is not available with this. The M31 is available in 3 variants: 64GB 6GB, 128GB 6GB and 128GB 8GB, and the storage can be expanded up to 512GB. The phone have a dedicated memory card slot so that we can use dual SIM along with external storage. Looking into F41, it's available in 2 variants: 64GB 6GB and 128GB 6GB. F41 also supports expanded storage up to 512GB and have dedicated memory card slots like M31. The M31 runs on Android 10 platform with OneUI 2.5. Similarly, the F41 runs on Android 10 but with OneUI 2.1. Both the phone have Exynos 9611 chipset which comes with 4 Cortex A73 cores with a maximum clock speed of 2.3 GHz, as well as 4 Cortex A53 cores clocked at 1.7 GHz maximum, in a 64-bit octa-core arrangement. Both model have Mali G72MP3 GPU which have a benchmark performance close to the Exynos 512. Let's move to camera. The M31 features quad camera setup: 64MP, f1.8 primary camera, 8MP, f2.2 ultra-wide camera for wide shots, 5MP, f2.4 macro camera and a 5MP, f2.2 depth camera. It supports 1080 as well as 4K video recording at 30 fps. The 32MP, f2.0 front camera is good for selfies and it also supports 4K recording at 30 fps. While F41 have a triple camera configuration: 64MP, f1.8 primary camera, 8MP, f2.2 ultra-wide camera for wide shots, 5MP, f2.4 depth camera. Similar to M31, F41 also supports 4K video recording at 30 fps. The F41 is also equipped with a 32MP front camera, however it only supports 1080p video recording. Looking forward, both the models comes with 6000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery. Both phones comes with 15 watts fast charger and Type-C 2.0 USB cable. Similar to other phones in this segment, these also support dual-band Wi-Fi. The box includes handset, travel adapter, USB cable, SIM ejection tool and user manual. The M31 is available on Amazon and F41 is available on Flipkart. The actual price may subjected to market conditions. Let's summarize. M31 has quad camera setup while F41 have triple camera setup. 4K recording is available with M31 front camera while it's not available with F41. M31 has OneUI 2.5 while F41 has OneUI 2.1. Gorilla 3 screen protection is equipped in M31 while it's missing in F41. 128GB 8GB variant is available only in M31, while F41 doesn't have 8GB variant.